Hey, what's up? Welcome back on our new comparison video. Yesterday Xiaomi released its budget smartphone called Mi Play. It is a very compact device with 5.84-inch display and Waterdrop notch, new Helio P35 chipset and affordable price about $160. We decided to compare Xiaomi Mi Play with another new smartphone from Lenovo called Z5s. It has a similar design, but what about other features? Let's compare these phones and find out which one is better. Xiaomi Mi Play and Lenovo Z5s look similar because of Waterdrop notches above the display and glass back panels. However, Xiaomi device is much more compact. It comes with 5.84-inch display, while Lenovo phone has 6.3-inch diagonal. By the way, Mi Play is the first smartphone from Xiaomi with Waterdrop notch. Finally, the manufacturers are moving away from big notches. Xiaomi Mi Play has dual vertical camera, flashlight and fingerprint reader on the rear panel. Lenovo Z5s has all the same elements, but there is triple camera. Lenovo Z5s has USB Type-C port, 3.5mm audio jack and hybrid slot for dual SIM and microSD. Xiaomi Mi Play also has dual SIM support, but there is no 3.5mm audio jack and only micro-USB port. Both phones come in beautiful color options such as blue, orange, gold and black. Although Xiaomi Mi Play and Lenovo Z5s look similar, I choose Lenovo phone because it has 3.5mm audio jack and USB Type-C port. I already said that Xiaomi new smartphone is much more compact than Lenovo. Xiaomi Mi Play is equipped with 5.84-inch display. This is IPS panel with Full HD Plus resolution, 1080 by 2280 pixels. Lenovo Z5s has more standard for 2018 display with 6.3-inch diagonal. This is also IPS panel with Full HD Plus resolution. Except the size, the display are not much different. Both smartphones provide similar image quality, so I will give them by 1 point. Xiaomi Mi Play is powered by a new Helio P35 chipset. The Chinese manufacturer actively uses processors from MediaTek in 2018. For example, budget smartphone Redmi 6 has Helio P22. The new Helio P35 chipset has 12nm process technology and 2.3 GHz maximum clock speed. Its performance is similar to Snapdragon 632. Xiaomi Mi Play has about 85,000 points in Antutu. Of course, it cannot compare it with Lenovo Z5s on Snapdragon 710, which is closer to flagships with 175,000 points in Antutu. As for the memory, Xiaomi Mi Play comes in a single version with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, while Lenovo Z5s has 4 or 6GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal memory. Both phones support microSD. Talking about software, as usual, Xiaomi smartphone runs on MIUI 10 based on Android 9 Pie. Lenovo Z5s also has Android 9 Pie, but its own user interface, ZUI 10. Without any doubts, Lenovo Z5s has much better performance thanks to Snapdragon 710 processor. It will get the next point from me. Everything is obvious in camera category. Lenovo Z5s is a winner because it has triple rear camera with 16, 8 and 5MP sensors. The camera offers dual LED flash, 2x optical zoom, PDFA and 4K video shooting. On the front panel, there is 16MP sensor with f2.0 aperture. Xiaomi Mi Play has dual rear camera with 12 and 2MP sensors. Its main features are HDR, electronic image stabilization, and different AI modes. The front camera is 8MP. There are already official samples, you can see them on your screen. Lenovo Z5s triple camera looks much better. Xiaomi Mi Play is equipped with only 3000 mAh battery without fast charging support. There is 5V and 2A charging. Lenovo Z5s has a little bigger battery, but not too much, 3300 mAh. From other side, it supports fast charging, 15W, and it is a big advantage. Xiaomi Mi Play and Lenovo Z5s are budget smartphones, but Xiaomi device is cheaper. It comes in a single version with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, and its price $160. The same version of Lenovo Z5s costs $202. Also, Lenovo phone has other memory configurations, and their prices you can see on your screen. Xiaomi Mi Play will get the last point in this comparison because it is cheaper. As you can see, Lenovo Z5s is much better than Xiaomi Mi Play. To be honest, I don't really understand why you need to buy Xiaomi Mi Play. Yes, it has a new design with Waterdrop notch, but there is entry-level chipset, budget cameras and very small battery without fast charging support. Lenovo Z5s is $40 more expensive than Mi Play, but it has Snapdragon 710 with much better performance, good triple camera and 16-megapixel front camera. Thanks for watching. What do you think about new smartphones from Xiaomi and Lenovo? Write in comments below. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.